aba Kenya bali chinse chiko bara almost half a million mbaling prepared inga iseyeneche chake bono it's an act of responsibility timatinda kinda kebeke seke gusi ase serikali wethera ase musale mudavadi kotebya aba Kenya balinga ibange moche abana bali ngumbwali abakole gasi ebesende bonse bakonyora batuma gochaka to kuba thinga suddenly iseyi achakire irana
bacha kupukisha ndege
no that can't be and I think abachumbe batara condemn iliga tukeli because this is an emergency bono onye serikali de konya abana bali baje baralia abego konya mbarabi tikirelia the office of the president mwaro je budget inga ya etaniri chibesi ya bekeretwe state house ya etani gotumia chibesi ya bekeretwe atakire gotumia so ibintu byabo ali amandasi ne bintu binde ba shootiri by so many millions billions ikibono kiri important ko kuri chibesi echi bali kichindega chimenya kachira abana bali so what matters to them it's a shame na n'abajumbe I believe mbaro abagusi banje tukuri program he ina ari kwirere bageri ko batebinga abanta bange bali skaria abagusi ba mitombaro they should face this guy ba mobilize other members of parliament kebe issue ko discuss as a national assembly on Tuesday but ni bya sara ndi byo spinga segiye tali bona yaera Trump otebire segiye nko gendere for the next almost a month casualties to come number about chikoba chances are aba Kenya baitombaro so they ought to take it serious but then if you parliament but nyore record che abana baito bare Saudi Arabia bare Qatar bare wherever asichise gichikora kana and bari nga jereki abana bari bako mobilized bare to asale save
nande masama atarame samundo na bwata ndaka matara kamenta kartoko tukuligiraniga chisege chiga taricho choka imyaka ne yaitire torese gati ya inse ya Russia na Ukraine iyo abantu bange baro chinga tebwa matana Kenya lakini anne mone soro bangura gusi wekirabone gabantu gwetanya ngebane wetane bane baramanyikana gusiriya magema abo muna nabarwani segimenya ya Ukraine
nabeko narekana bagusiba minta bange basirire tutaramanya kera umwana bakurusi nkase ino atebe Nairobi ngochegasi aiki Nairobi nabati network cha uchire so bono iga at least yanga serikali on responsible enough angabaro sile list ya ba Kenya ba ite airport kere record inero which country did you go on the west Ukraine on the west Russia enjereri kiunga ngaibare ya to gotenga tike family choka jina koligia then where do we have a foreign affairs ministry where do we have a diaspora desk eto bantu ba wako na meshara batamaiti ngayaba Kenya bali I think even the president himself ought to address Roma nyene he address to these issues anyebeke atebi national assembly nga discuss mangana manyaba Kenya bali Russia kwa Kenya bali Ukraine aba Kenya bali wherever and a position yabonere kera ntobade chi ambassador ngumbwalia echinira boko nyoranga nchima yetu na aba Kenya baro it doesn't matter na kyo Kenya cheto lakini no ali na aje no utumire bune ambassador to ko biashara bya mbiri bya to kumanya aba Kenya baro and their status at the moment